Hey, good afternoon. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Tuesday, 25th of February 2020. The local time is 5:14 p.m. here in Vietnam, which means the new 12-hour candle has just ticked over 14 minutes ago. So we just have a quick look at my trading on the 12-hour high probability charts. It's a mechanical system, and I'll explain it to you quickly in this video as we go along. Here's my watch list I'm looking at. Some pairs on the right here. If I've marked them with a little asterisk mark, the orange mark means I've taken some action on them on this candle. So we'll start with the Aussie USD. In a sell here already. It's the intersection of these lines here, as you already know. So the red lines, that's my sell. Basically a red QMP filter dot, which is the red and green dots on the price chart. It's when the MACD platinum, which is a zero lag MACD, is above the zero line, that's a sell signal for me. So I've taken a sell, price has come down nicely. I've started to draw possible bullish divergence trend lines in place. Now there's been a new green dot on the MACD platinum below the zero level here. So that gives me a heads up, a warning. So what I've done is I've moved my stop down to 0.66435 on this sell trade, which is this red dashed line or dotted line. So I'm locking in a bit of profit. I'm getting ready to go back to the buy side. Trends down. MAs 50, 100, and 240 LMA. They're spreading, heading down. You can say it's in a downtrend. So any buy trade will be high risk to the upside. But it's possible there is regular bullish divergence forming. It hasn't been confirmed yet. I need a green QMP filter dot here on price. So that's the Aussie USD. EURJPY, next cab off the rank. In a buy down here, you can see the green QMP filter dot and the MACD platinum below the zero level. High risk trade going to this uptrend. These I tend to look to go into the MAs. My first sign that I had to take some action was when the MACD platinum, I'm looking at the brown line, red line, goes through the zero level. Basically did it in the last 12 hours. Now it's at closer to 50 EMA, so I've closed 0.01 of that trade and I've set a stop at 1.43301. That gave me a profit of $12.23, which has been added to the total $49.33. So stops in place above the entry level, so looking good there. Locked in some profit. That's Euro CAD, Euro Yen. Just as I was going through my charts, I was in a buyback here, and as we know, the yen pairs are very volatile at the moment. And I took a sell yesterday. 24 hours ago. And what was that this morning? I'll just check my notes. Euro Yen. No, that was this morning. So just over 12 hours ago, I took a sell. It's gone down nicely. But the problem is my remaining buy, my stop was up, this red light, has just been stopped out. So this buy trade is no longer in play. That's been stopped out, which is good. So I get real information. I've updated the notes on the side there. So that remaining buy was stopped out with a profit of $7.77. That's since been added to the profit to date. And so this MACD platinum still above the zero level. So as long as it's still above the zero level, I'm not going to take any action at this stage. It's all a bit tight and messy on the Euro Yen pairs. This video will be finished in a second. Then I'll go and immediately update the shared results spreadsheet. And that spreadsheet can be found, a link to it can be found in the description of this video. So thanks for watching, guys. If you do like these quick, shorter, sharper 12-hour high probability videos, just hit the like button or subscribe to the channel. That'd be greatly appreciated. Thanks very much. Cheers.